Have you ever felt that the moment you appear before your audience, your mind go completely blank? Your hand starts to shake, your leg starts to tremble, and a wave of nervousness hits you the moment you appear before your audience. If yes, then you are not alone. In this video, I want to share with you some tips and the tricks of the trade through which you can appear more confident before your audience. So there are two things you need to keep in mind before starting your presentation. First, you need to have in-depth knowledge about your presentation. You have seen a lot of TED Talks, right? The people they are masters. They know what they are talking about. They have knowledge about their presentation. You need to have a lot of knowledge. This alone will give you enough confidence. Next, you need to practice that knowledge. If you have knowledge, then you need to start practicing it in private. The more practice you do, the more confident you will appear before the audience. Now let's come to the main part of our video. It's how you can make your introductions catchy, right? How can you attract the audience to what you are saying? Never start your presentation with, today I will speak about, my topic is this. This is all boring, right? There are some other great methods which I will mention. First is always start your presentation with a rhetorical question, right? What is a rhetorical question? It's like asking the audience, have you ever wondered? Have you ever felt? Right? This is a rhetorical question. I also started my video with the same rhetorical question. Have you ever felt your mind go completely blank the moment you appear before your audience? This is a rhetorical question. Next, you can start your presentation with a participatory question, right? After asking a participatory question from your audience, let them answer. Let some of the participants, let them answer, right? And this will again help you gain confidence. Next, you can start your presentation with a famous quotation, a quotation from a famous person, right? Next, if you are good with jokes, if you are good with making funny anecdotes, you can also start your presentation with a funny anecdote, right? So these four things will help you in making your introductions amazing. First is you can start your presentation with a rhetorical question. But after asking that rhetorical question, don't wait. Don't wait for the audience to answer. Just keep moving, right? You don't need to wait after asking a rhetorical question. Next, a participatory question. It's important to wait for a while, to pause, right? After asking a participatory question, you need to wait a little bit. Let some of the members from the audience, let them answer, right? So the next is you can start with a quote, a famous quote that relates to your message or your presentation. If you are good with making jokes, if your timing is amazing, then you can start your presentation with a funny joke. It will ease the tension and it will help you gain the confidence. So there are 4 tricks of the trade. You can start with, again I'm repeating, you can start with a rhetorical question. A rhetorical question. Next, you can start your presentation with a participatory question, but you need to wait. You need to take a pause after asking a participatory question. Okay, next is a quote. You can start with a quote, a famous quote from a famous person. And the fourth one is a joke. or a funny anecdote, right? So this is it from me for today, and I'll see you guys with another video in the upcoming days. If you find this video educational, then please do like it and subscribe. Thank you.